The innovative 3Es community engagement program exposes school groups, educators, parents and the broader community to STEM careers through localised workshops that engage with university students and industry people.
We are building a community of STEM mentors and ambassadors to really raise awareness of what science and maths and computer science and cyber and STEM is all about for the future generation. So for teachers or parents that maybe haven't been in this science arena for a long time, we need to refresh really what science looks like now for the next generation. So we use current ambassadors to actually be that live relevant message, and they relate much more to the future students that are coming through. So the school kids come onto campus and they get involved and they do hands-on activity run by our students who are actually living the science experience at the moment, so much more relevant. They're passionate, they're relevant and they're current. They're being taught by our experts, they're then handing on to the next generation.